In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're new to Microsoft Loop or just learning how to make the most of its features, this guide will help you integrate your calendar smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This can be done through any major search engine. Type Microsoft Loop in the search bar, and it should appear as one of the top results. Click on the official Microsoft Loop link to direct yourself to the home page. Once you're on the Microsoft Loop homepage, it's time to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one to proceed. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your actions are saved within your Microsoft account, allowing for seamless access across different devices. After successfully signing in, you will enter the Loop workspace. Here, you'll need to use the Microsoft 365 Calendar actions within a Loop action to integrate your calendar. Essentially, what you're doing is combining the functionalities of Microsoft Loop with Microsoft 365 Calendar to keep everything streamlined in one place. Next, you'll be prompted to provide essential details that include the calendar name and specifics, like the meeting start and end times. Additionally, you need to input the location of the meeting and the meeting owner's email. All of this information is vital because it ensures your calendar is set up accurately and is as detailed as possible, minimizing any chance of confusion. Taking a moment to double-check these details ensures that you're creating a calendar that will serve its purpose efficiently. As you become more comfortable with these settings, there's another step that can prove useful. You have the option to select or create a record variable to hold the output of the calendar action. What this means is you're essentially telling the system where to save and how to manage the calendar data you're creating. This step is particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or need to keep your scheduling organized and easily accessible. And that's it. You have now successfully added a calendar to Microsoft Loop. This setup not only enhances your productivity, but also makes it easier to manage meetings and reminders. Using Microsoft Loop in conjunction with Microsoft 365 Calendar really does provide a comprehensive tool for managing your schedule effectively. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful, and it makes your daily Microsoft operations just a bit easier. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.